All right, so here is how you access Clever through Google Chrome, which is where Bradley County Schools has all of their online resources. These are resources that we use in the classroom that we think are extremely helpful. Many of them go alongside our curriculum. So the first thing you're going to do is open up a Google Chrome browser. When you do that, it is going to show up like this if this is your first time logging in. We're going to assume that it is. You're going to come up to the upper right-hand corner here and click on this little icon where you will add a new user. It's going to ask you to do a profile here. Just do a name, find an icon you like. I'll go with the football, go Vols, and click add. Then it's going to show you this screen right here where it asks, are you already a Chrome user? Sign in. Yes. Bradley County Schools has created a Chrome profile for every student across the county. You're going to see quickly why this is so helpful, especially in times like these. So what you will do is type in your child's email address. If you don't know your child's email address, then you'll want to go ahead and email your child's teacher. And I'm sure they'll be checking their email and we'll get back with you pretty quickly. So I'm going to just use my email for today and my password. And of course, I don't even know my own password. Classic. Once you get logged in, give Google just a second to load and catch up. You do want to link data. That way everything is together, and it doesn't matter what computer they log into in the future, or if it's a phone, if it's Google Chrome, all of their data is going to be under the same profile. And then it's going to ask you if you want to turn on sync. Yes, you do want to turn on sync, because what you'll notice is if you look at the top of the screen here, all of my bookmarks are going to automatically load up. So if your child has bookmarks from their classroom, then you'll see them up there. Okay. Once everything loads up, it's going to take just a second. You're going to look for this C in the upper right-hand corner. It says Clever if you hover over it. Again, that is a C in a blue box. Click on that. When you do, it's going to ask you to type in the name of your school. I am from Black Fox, but again, this is good for all Bradley County schools. And then it's going to ask you to log in with Google. Your password and email should already be saved, but if not, just type in the same one again. And then once you are in, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. This is all of the apps and the online curriculum pieces that Bradley County has. And as the week goes on, we'll probably load some more up there. But since I teach math and science, you'll see that the math iReady curriculum is up top alongside the science curriculum. And then there's many, many more underneath. So this is a great online resource for you to use with your child this week. If you have any questions, feel free to put a comment down there or email your teacher, and we can all kind of answer questions for each other together. So I hope that that works for you, and I hope that you have a great day.